I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Select Avada Forms as a trigger. Click on the Fetch button and go to your form page to submit it and fetch the Avada Forms. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to your integration site and here you can see that the Avada Forms fetched successfully. Change the data types of the email and phone number. Set action. Search and select actions. Integrately. Give here the webhook link. So visit Integrately dashboard. To make the automation, choose the app. Webhook. Now choose your second desired app to send the data. I am choosing Airtable. Now select the condition. Go. Copy the webhook URL and paste it here. Body. Send all data. Choose application JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. Done. Next. Finish and save it. Click on I have set this URL in webhook. Done. Check it received. Continue. Choose base ID and table name. Continue. Map the respective fields. Turn on the automation. Now visit your form page, fill it out, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Airtable page. And you can see the data came successfully in the Airtable. Thanks for watching.